Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, my name is Erica and I create beauty videos, hair videos, as well as lifestyle videos. So if any of those things interest you, definitely consider subscribing to my channel by clicking that subscribe button down below. Also, make sure you hit the notification bell to be notified each time I upload a brand new video. So today we're going to be doing a Bantu knot natural hairstyle. I have not done this hairstyle in Lord knows how long, so I thought I would revisit this style, and I was not disappointed. She's a little drawn up, but we made it work. So if you want to see how I got this look, then definitely stay tuned. Alright you guys, so we are starting off on blown out, freshly washed hair. I did go in and use a blow dryer to blow out my hair. I just want to show you guys, look at this hair growth. Like, that color was at my roots probably like over a year ago, a little over a year ago. But anyways, we grew this out. I am so over my ginger color, believe it or not. I am just ready for my natural hair color because I've been wanting to do like U-part wigs and things like that. So I'm just ready to be done with this color. So I'm starting off by parting down the middle. If you've been here before, you know I'm a middle part girl when it comes to this natural hair. So I try not to get it as perfect as possible because it's impossible. So I'm just trying to make sure it's to my liking personally. Once that is parted, I'm just going to be sectioning off my hair by the ear. I don't like go in and try to make perfect parts. That is not me. That is not what this channel is. We don't do that here. So I'm sectioning off on each side, and then I'm going to be going in the back and sectioning off more of my hair. I ended up with 12 Bantu knots in total. So I'm using an oldie but a goodie. I'm going in with the Creme with Argan oil. This is their twist and curl pudding. Y'all, this stuff is honestly really good. Like I always keep this in my hair bag. So I'm just taking that product and I'm going to be applying it to my hair. This is just going to give us some moisture as well as give us that hold that we want for these Bantu knots. So I never do Bantu knots on wet hair. I did that once, I think when I was like a new natural, and it just takes so long to dry. The only way I would be doing Bantu knots on wet hair is if I'm literally going to be sitting under a hooded dryer, and we're not doing that in this case. So I never do Bantu knots on wet hair. I always try to do it on dry stretch hair, just to get the look that I'm going for. Because if you do it on wet hair, girl, and you ain't sitting in a dry and it ain't completely dry, when you take it out, it's gonna be a mess. I'm just gonna let you know right now, it's going to be a hot mess. So once everything is wrapped, I'm going to be securing it with these little colorful hair ties I got from like Roses. So I know some people will two-strand twist their hair and then do the twisting motion into a Bantu knot. I don't do that. If I'm doing Bantu knots, I'm doing Bantu knots. So all I'm doing is taking the hair and I'm literally winding the hair around my index finger. It takes a bit of practice, and the more product you have in your finger, the easier it is for it to like twine. You're literally like twining the hair and manipulating that around your finger, and then you're just creating like a little ball, and you're gonna make your little knot. And then I always secure my knots with some type of hair tie I'm just showing you guys this growth. I'm like super excited about that. I always secure it with some type of hair tie because they can unravel in your sleep. Speaking of sleep, these are not the most comfortable things to be sleeping in. This is probably why I never do Bantu knots like often. Like I just do it every once in a while because child, and then my crazy tail, I like to make sure it's tight and right so it gets tighter once it dries. And you're just gonna have a headache. Like beauty is pain. It is what it is. So that's that. But yeah, literally I'm just going to be doing half my hair on camera and half off camera. So all the knots are in, and once again I had a total of 12 knots. So literally it is like the next morning. It's like 7 o'clock in the morning, right before work. I decided to do my takedown like a nutcase. I was tired. I look rough. Okay, forgive me. So all I did was take that twist and cream pudding. I did not use oil to coat my hands. I used the pudding to coat my hands because I feel like if you use the product you used before, like you should get good results. This is just what's in my head. So I just put that all over my hands, and I just untwist like the knots in the reverse motion, and this is what we get. And then I went in and I separated. At first I separated into twos to see what it looked like, and then I started separating a little bit more to get volume. There was a lot of shrinkage happening, but I didn't mind. What else did I want to say? So yeah, y'all, that's like pretty much the end of the look. Like I picked it a little bit, and then I just pulled two little pieces in front and kind of like bobby pin them down for work, so I can look like somebody, child. And then I just did my edges, and that was it. So if you enjoyed this video, definitely give this video a like, Don't forget to subscribe if you have not. Leave comments, and I will see y'all in my next one.